It's a present for Stella. Here you go. Are you gonna open it?
Daddy wants to open it.
No, Stella can open it.
No, Daddy wants to open it.
All right, we'll both open it. Let's sit down. Oh, what's that?
Oh, what's that?
There goes the shirt.
It's a book.
Who? What kind of book is it? What's on the book?
It's something on the book.
Oh. There's a sticker on the book. That's right. Can you say thank you, Mimi?
Thank you, Mommy.
Here, look over here. Look at Daddy. Say thank you, Mimi.